Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of writing inequalities. This is standard 7.10a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 16 off the 2021 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have the greatest weight a moving truck can carry is 1,600. And we see our 1,600 showing up over here on the right side of all these inequalities. The truck is loaded with a piano that weighs 400 pounds. Boxes that weigh 50 pounds each will also be loaded into the truck. So which inequality represents all the possible values of x, the number of these boxes that can be loaded into the moving truck? So this is kind of asked in an interesting way here. So here's probably the most important thing right here. The greatest weight a moving truck can carry is 1,600. So we can't get any more than that because it'll break, collapse. And so let's see if we can just make a table, just to kind of get an idea what's going on. Then we'll turn that into an inequality here. So we don't want our total to be, more than 1,600, because it says that's the greatest weight a moving truck can have. So we've got this piano, and then we've got boxes. And each of these boxes weigh 50 pounds. And so I'm just going to box weight. So we always start with this piano. So that's 400. Let's say I have no boxes. So that's no box weight. So that's pretty easy. That's 400. But what if I did 10 boxes? So 400 plus 10 boxes, 10 times 50 is 500. Right, so that's going to give me 900 pounds. That's a lot. What if I did 15? 40. I did 15. So now I'm going to have to do this. 15 times 50. 0, 0, 0. Okay, so 750. So 750, and that's 1150. See how I'm getting closer? Now, if I was wanting to know how many boxes I can put there, I could eventually get there, but it's kind of a guess and check is what it is. I might get a little bit more. I can't get any bigger than this 1,600. So let's see if we could turn what we've just been doing here into an actual inequality. So first, let's deal with this right here, this 1,600. It says the greatest weight a moving truck can carry is 1,600. So all of this right here that I've been doing on the left side cannot be bigger than 1,600. If it's bigger than 1,600, then it's going to break. So our inequality is going to have to be less than 1,600. It needs to be less than 1,600. And I guess technically it could actually be 1,600, because it says the greatest weight a moving truck can carry is 1,600. So it includes that. All right, so that would work. So what did we do so we need to be less than or equal to 1,600. Well, we know we're starting with this 400 pounds. That's been there the whole time. It's this piano. Then I would take my boxes and I would multiply that by 50, and they're going to give me this x as the number of boxes. Okay, so that is going to be x, right? So I'm going to, and then I added, right? I would take the box, multiply it by 50, and then add those two together. So I'm going to add my box plus 50. So that's going to be I'll just do it like this, 50x, or x times 50. So as I'm looking, it looks like the answer kind of flipped these two. So you put your 50x plus 400 using the commutative property of addition less than or equal to 1,600. So that is F.